Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jeff the Tech Blazer coming at you today with my Google Pixel 5 unboxing. I'm looking forward to this phone. I genuinely like Google Pixel phones. I just like their original version of Android. I know it changes a little bit, but I like their version of it. The past couple of Pixel phones have been interesting. I used the Pixel 2 XL for a really long time. I definitely enjoyed that phone. It took me way too long to get this thing here. I got a little beat up along the way, but I'm excited about it. Let's get to it. Alright, so here we have the Sage Pixel 5. That's got 5G in it. This one retails for $699. It has Android 11 on it. It has a 6-inch OLED panel, which is also 90 Hz. It has a Snapdragon 765G, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, a 12.2 wide-angle camera, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It does have a 8-megapixel front-facing camera also, 4,000 milliamp hour battery. I am genuinely excited about this one. I typically like Pixel phones, even though they have weird quirks to them, but I genuinely like them, so I can't wait to get into this one. And I definitely like that color. I didn't want to go for the just black version of the phone. It's just boring, so we wanted to go for the Sage. Box looks a little beat up. It is new, but it also took considerably longer than it should have to actually get to me. And the post office, everything's a little crazy around the Christmas time, but wanted to get this one open and check it out. So here we go. Here we go. The Sage color is definitely interesting, and they claim that this has a like aluminum back, but it has some sort of coating on it, so it feels a little plastic. It doesn't feel cheap though. Right off the bat, you see the two cameras right there and the fingerprint sensor. They got rid of their Project Soli stuff in there, so I don't believe it has Face ID or Android's version, whatever. So I think you're going to be either using, you could use a pin, probably a swipe method, or fingerprint reader right there. G for Google. It is a pretty good color. I do like it. It's a little dirty. It feels almost like rough to the touch, but I definitely still like it. Do that peel for you. Alright, so it has the punch hole camera right there up in the corner. It kind of has a weird feeling to it, but get your side button, power button, volume buttons right there. Yeah, this is a weird texture right here. SIM card tray. Get your speakers down there, USB-C. We'll put this off to the side for right now, see what else is in the box. Greeted by more Google branding. Got your SIM ejector tool right there. Basic safety stuff. Alright, just everything you need. Alright. Got your USB-C power brick right here. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. You can never have enough of these. Everything nowadays, with the exception of the iPhone, is USB-C. So having another USB-C charger and USB-C to USB-C cord, always good. Right now this glue is beating me. It's okay though. Nailed it. Right, we got it. jeez. And then we have the little adapter to help you transfer everything over. That looks to be about it though, so we'll get the screen turned on, get everything switched over to it, and then take a look. Alright, so now that we have the phone set up, I decided to just set this one up fresh. I didn't transfer any applications over or anything like that. I want to just do this one from the ground. Oh, quiet, Pixel. Jeez, come on now. I'm trying to make a video. Decided to just new phone basically with this one. The fingerprint reader is actually extremely fast already. Setting it up was fast, but it reads it extremely quickly. I already like the fact that all of the bezels on this one are symmetrical. I believe it was on the Pixel 4 XL that I had used. I think the top of it, because it had the Project Solely stuff in the top of it, had a huge forehead, a little bit of a chin, but this one already, it just looks better, looks cleaner. I like the size of this. The last phone that I was using with Mint Mobile, which I haven't thrown the SIM card in here just yet, was the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and that phone, I don't know, it felt big for the sake of being big. It wasn't like with the Note 20 Ultra, which is huge, but you feel like between, you know, the speakers, the screen size, everything like that, that you're actually getting your money's worth for the size. Whereas with the S20 FE, it felt big and boxy and just not clean, not refined. I don't know. I didn't love that phone, but I am excited for this one. I definitely love the size. I love the weight of it already. It's surprisingly light. Screen looks really bright. 90 hertz. I know I don't have too much stuff on here yet, but I just wanted to get the phone up, get the screen on there for you so you guys can check it out. It's nice and bright. Colors look pretty good. I haven't tested the speakers on it yet, but I will get to all of that. But right now, thoroughly enjoying it already. Alright, so that's been my unboxing of the Google Pixel 5 in the nice sage color. It feels nice. I like it. I definitely like the color. I like the size of the phone. And I like the Mandalorian wallpapers that come on this thing. There's like 5 or 6 of them that come pre-installed on there, so that's pretty cool. But I like it already. I like the fingerprint scanner. I like the whole 9 yards. So I look forward to daily driving this one for a little while. Then I'll give you guys my full thoughts. I'll test out the cameras, the speakers, the whole 9 yards. It's got a nice screen already. Nice, you know, the bezels are symmetrical on it. They don't look bad. But I'll put this one through the paces and I'll be back with a review. If you guys like this one, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.